Good day, class. Welcome to TLE 8 Dressmaking Quarter 3, Week 4. I'm Mary Jane D. Ermitaño, your teacher in TLE. In this lesson, you will learn the different principles of design and color theory. One of the principles of design is proportion, and it is the relationship in size between various parts of the whole. This picture shows best example of proportion from the shoulder to waist. So the measurement is 1, 2, and that is the ideal. From the waistline down to the knees, okay, the measurement is 3, 1, 2, and 3, and that is the ideal proportion. Okay, the second principle of design is balance. It is the arrangement of design on a space resulting to sense of equilibrium. Okay, so there are three types of balance. We have the formal or the symmetrical balance, informal or asymmetrical balance, and the radial balance. Let's discuss the formal or the symmetrical balance. It is the equal visual weight of each side of an imaginary central vertical line. As you can see in this picture, the design of the right side is same with the design on the left side. It is symmetrical. That means it is made up of exactly similar parts facing each other. Next, we have the informal or asymmetrical balance. It is the design that is balanced, but each side is different in some ways, just like this picture. Next, we have the radial balance. Radial balance is achieved when all parts of the design are at equal distance from a center point. In this example, this is the central point of the design. Next is the emphasis. Is achieved by the designer's ability to create a center of interest by which the viewer's eyes are directed to a specific area of garment or body parts. In this example, the center of the interest is the flower. It is the repetition of an accent to create. Rhythm is another principles of design. This is the repetition of an accent to create an interesting design. In this example, okay, the accent here is the wavy design of the shirt. And the sequence or the beads on top is the accent or the repetition of an accent. Okay, the last principle of design is harmony. This is the pleasing and congruent arrangement of the part. So look at this one, the bow and the polo or the white polo is pleasing and congruent to the tuxedo. And that makes it. Next is the color theory. The first thing you usually notice about clothes or anything is their color. Before you start studying which colors look best together, you should learn the meaning of color terms and the roles that applies the color. So we have the primary colors. These are the red, blue, and yellow. The secondary colors are orange, green, and violet. There are also different qualities of colors. We have the hue, value, and intensity. When we say hue, this refers to the origin of the colors. We can see the primary and the secondary color. These are the yellow, red, and blue. Next, we have the value. It refers to the lightness or the tint or the darkness of the shade. Next, the last one is the intensity. This means the brightness or the dullness of the color. Example of this is the green. So this one is the brightest part, and this is the dull part. So for your performance task, copy this design on a bond paper and apply the principle. So color the picture, okay? Color the picture and apply the color harmonies. This will be your project. So put design inside the pockets. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. Bye.